everybody, Angela Godwin here. I am at a water industry trade show, catching up with Todd Gilpatrick of Reed Manufacturing. Todd, thank you for being with me today.
Oh, you're welcome.
So for
Good to be here.
folks watching maybe that don't know about Reed, can you give us a little bit of background on the company?
Reed Manufacturing is a pipe tool company. We are fifth generation family owned out of Erie, Pennsylvania. It really is a company. We make pipe tools, cut it, handle it, etc., vices.
Mm-hmm. Yep, and one of the cool tools we're going to be talking about today is the pump stick.
Yes.
Right? So what are we looking at here? What's the pump stick?
The pump stick is a battery operated water transfer tool.
Mm-hmm.
You've got standing water, you've got water somewhere and you need to get it out of the way. This is the tool for you.
Excellent. Now, I know there's a few cool features here that would be really interesting to our rural and small utilities that are watching. Walk us through some of those.
Again, the pump stick basically is a tool that's battery operated.
Mm-hmm.
Our battery platform is a Bosch battery platform. But one of the really nice features on this is that it can be adapted to any battery platform that a municipality or a contractor would have.
Excellent.
There's a plate here on the front. And so if you have a DeWalt setup, you change the plate, 4 simple screws, put the DeWalt plate on, and then you can put your DeWalt battery on. Could be Milwaukee or Makita. So the versatility of adapting to whatever battery platform the customer has.
That's great.
Is a big feature.
That's excellent. And I noticed also too that the shaft of the pump stick here is made of aluminum, I believe.
Yes.
Yes.
The aluminum allows the durability of it. Typically the pump stick here is about 38 inches high. You add a comfort grip handle, gets you to about 4 feet. Mm-hmm. You can add a 2-foot extension, that'll get you to 66 inches.
Excellent.
But one of the other big features is that we've got a enclosed switch that's water resistant. We've made the tool modular. So in other words, the motor, which is down here,
mm-hmm.
if you need to change it down the road, it's a pretty simple change. 6 different screen setups in the bottom. Mm-hmm. You just unscrew and put in coarser, finer, depending on what you're doing.
Sure. That's great. It looks very lightweight as well.
It is very lightweight.
Yeah. Now, I understand too, it's versatile in the fact that you can actually pump something that's above your head. Is that correct?
Yes. The way that it's set up is that we use got a magnetic connection. The connection, very secure, very easy to take it on. So the 2-inch hose comes in 2 foot, 4 foot, 7 foot, or you can use a connector to customize the length of the hose that you want. The way that the tool is set up, you can pump up to 12 feet. The tool actually pumps 15 gallons a minute.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Which is a good volume.
Excellent, excellent. So in general, for any rural and small utilities that are watching, what would you say is maybe the biggest benefit to this tool over something else they might use?
The durability, the fact that it's an aluminum-based body instead of plastic, mm-hmm. Water resistant on the switch, mm-hmm. the modular change out on the motor would be big features. Mm-hmm. The connection of the hose is a big advantage.
Yeah.
That you can customize the length of the hose is a big advantage.
Excellent.
The fact that motor allows you to go 12 feet.
So Todd, what kind of runtime could somebody get off of a single battery charge?
Off of a 4 amp battery, the runtime is approximately an hour.
Mm-hmm. And what if you have to walk away from the pump? Is there a way to stand it up? Or?
Yes, we have a tool stand that basically will attach to the bottom of the tool and allow you to stand the tool up, turn the battery on. You don't have to hold it. Sometimes at 15 gallons a minute, you're running the tool for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, etc. It's just a comfort thing instead of having to stand in place.
Excellent, excellent. Sounds like a lot of really thoughtful features, benefits that would really be very useful to rural and small water. Absolutely. So if any of our viewers watching want to learn a little bit more about the pump stick or about Reed Manufacturing in general, where would you send them?
Visit www.reedmfgco.com.
Excellent. All right. Well, Todd, thank you so much for joining us
You're
and walking
welcome.
us through the pump stick. We appreciate it.
Oh, you're welcome.
All right. And thank you all for watching. I'm Angela Godwin.